Okay, here's a good example for using dimensional analysis in a cost situation. So a store is selling potatoes at $8 for 20 pounds. If you are buying potatoes and the cost for them comes to $6.08 without tax, how many pounds of potatoes were being purchased? So it says find the solution to the problem using dimensional analysis. So we're going to have to show a unit factor that you multiply by in order to get the result. So we are basically taking this $6.08 and we're going to have to basically convert that to pounds. So $6.08 is what the cost of those potatoes were. And so dimensional analysis says to use a rate, some kind of rate. Now this is not a unit rate, but $8 for 20 pounds is a rate because it compares the unit of dollars to the unit of pounds. So two different units constitutes a rate. So if we're going to use that rate, by the way, there's two ways you could write that rate. $8 per 20 pounds or 20 pounds for $8. So those rates constitute the same relationship, but you will select which one of those you use for this problem. And in this one, the 20 pounds for $8 is the one we're going to use because, as you can see, we have dollars given and we want to find out how many pounds we have at the end. So our final answer, we want pounds. And so we have dollars, so we want to have dollars in the denominator of this, and we want to get pounds in our answer. So we'll use the $8 for 20 pounds, and this is the ratio we'll use to solve that problem because now the dollars will reduce out, the dollars will be gone, and our only remaining unit will be pounds. So we're going to take 6.08. You can put that over 1 if that makes you feel more comfortable using fractions. So 6.08 times 20. 6.08. It's going to give us zeros, and we're going to get 16. 12 with 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. 12160. So that's $120.60 over, well, sorry, the dollars are gone. 121 121.60 over 8. Now that will leave pounds up here. So now we have to take the 121.60 and divide it by 8. Once, which is 8, remainder 4. Bring down the 1. 8 will go in there 5 times, which is 40, remainder of 1. Bring down the 6, and that'll give us a 2, and that'll be 16, and that'll come out evenly to $15.20 pounds. That's how many pounds it is. Now, let's make sure that makes sense to us. 8 pounds cost $8 for 20 pounds, and we're paying $6, which was less than 8, so it should be less than 20 pounds, which is correct. Now, the proportion method of solving this would be just to take $8 for 20 pounds this way, and that would be proportional to, we have $6.08 for some unknown number of pounds, let's say X pounds. And then we'll just cross multiply and divide. So that's 20 times 6.08 over 8, which is exactly what we did here. We went 6.08 times 20 times 121.6 over 8. So we're going to get the same thing. That will give us X pounds. And again, you'll get the same 121.60 divided by 8, which of course we already got is 15.2. I hope that's helpful. There's two different methods. This is the dimensional analysis method, and this is just using a simple proportion. Again, this problem required you to do dimensional analysis.